fixing the wood to fit.
Trimming the wood because we've raised the floor a bit, so the plywood that's already all cut or nice for the van doesn't fit anymore.
We were expecting this, to be
We
fair.
weren't expecting this. Can you pass me that saw over, please?
It's heavy. It's really heavy. Is there a need for that to be so heavy?
It's industrial. It's tools. They're all heavy.
Here we go.
Screwdriver. Sharon gives the perfect screw. Well done, baby.
Yeah, see, I am useful. Oh, any more?
One up in that ceiling right above you.
I'm going in the bin.
Aye, no, it wasn't head yet.
I think it needs to come down a wee touch to your right hand side, just a wee bit. That looks a bit fine on to me. You want to take a step back, see what you find? Alright,
Fine, yep. I'm going to need more than 4 screws, but...
I don't see if you can find any more.
Aye. I'm definitely going to need a screw in the middle so that it bends in. There's the one.
Well, I better keep it up for size and now, but actually. At least I got the bit of the pictures hoovered.
We have plywood up. So we just need to get plywood cut for here and round there. And that door. But I'm going to get somebody to help. Yeah, I'm going to see if I can get somebody to come and help with that or do it for me, even better. So that's us done for the day though. It's been a hectic couple of days. 3 days, so...
Yeah, home, relax and get a nice pub dinner tonight.
Something nice for dinner and chill out. Oh, the electrics are off, eh?
Oh no, we need to do our measuring.
Oh aye, no, we need to measure. Right guys, today is B&Q mission. So I need to go and get plywood. Yeah. So hopefully I'll get plywood and tomorrow we'll get the whole van plied right out. That'll be all that done. But B&Q isn't that easy. B&Q is a bit of a mission. It's like 20 miles away. That's there and back obviously. So I'll let you just enjoy the drive back because there's no point in you sitting on the map, you know.
Three dog spins from the station.
is done. Got a couple of sheets of plywood, a batten as well, don't know if you can see that in there. Some screws. Hi, so that was some screws, 2 sheets of plywood, 1 timber batten and some sanding paper. 77 quid. Ridiculous, by the way. So hopefully we will be getting all the plywood up tomorrow, which means today I need to finish all the wiring. I need to get all the wires that are going to be coming through at this part as well, and same over this side, so that when Robin comes tomorrow we are good to go. We can just get everything done, and then hopefully by tomorrow night we're going to have a fully plied van. The kitchen's coming the day. Telling you, isn't it half moving quick now? It's moving a wee bit too quick. My head can't get around it. So obviously at the start this was so slow and frustrating trying to strip the van, but now everything is just happening quick as. So wiring today, I don't know if there's any point me even showing you that. So just when I get rid of some stuff out of the living room, we now have an IKEA kitchen sitting. So this needs built up. Do you want a sneaky peek? Oh, you're not getting one because it's in a big bit cardboard and I'm taking it out the now. This house just does not get any better, by the way. But kitchen's here, so that can get done. Hopefully it'll all be plyboarded by tomorrow. Get kitchen made up, kitchen in, bed done. Then just the furniture to make. So I didn't film anything yesterday because I had help and I don't like to put the camera on people's faces and that. So we ply lined the rest of the van yesterday though. Framed out the window. This door was ply lined as well, but we've had to rip it off this morning because it was leaking. But we did go right up to the seal with it, so I think we're going to have to come across a wee bit. I don't think we can touch the seal. I think that's what it was. We were just causing a bit of a gap between the door so the rain was getting in. You can see floor soaking. Diesel heater is on to try and dry the place out a bit. And all the wood's over there drying.
I'd call it in time.
I think, thank God, we weren't even going to bother coming in today, but thank God we did. Right guys, I should have been filming, but I'm not. I started putting the bed up. But before I did that, I sorted all this wood, so I've left a bit of metal all the way around. It's not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but when it's all covered, you're not going to notice it. And hopefully it won't leak. So, tidied out the van today, that's what I've been doing. Tidied out the van, I've rerouted the 12 volt cigarette lighter and that over to here. So that needs to stay over here because the TV will be about there. And that's how that plugs in. So I'm going to go back over to the LDV and get a bit of wood for the bed. I think I'll just get one bit. And I also need to go, where am I? And I need to get the other 2 brackets out the house. And then we'll have an actual bed up. Right guys, brackets are on. I've not put all the screws in because I don't really need to now. It's only gone up just so I can have it up and then I'll be taking it back down to do the floor. So, IKEA Scorva mid-beams. I'm sure that's what these are called. Hi, there's a code for them there if anybody wants to know. So, 3 of them. The brackets, if you go to IKEA and go into small parts, they'll send them out, just all you've got to pay is the postage. So, and I have wood outside that's for the old van that I'm just about to put on. I'll show you that. I've not got any cameras that I can just leave sitting. I've not got any tripods or anything over because I've gutted out the van. So I'm going to get the wood on and I'll show you that. Here we go. Bed is done. This wood isn't staying. It's just up the now. I'll get fresh wood and recut everything. The door handle in there is a bit different. So how does it look? Aye, we've definitely got more space than the other van, definitely. Right, I've got some measuring to do for this couch, so I'm going to go and do that, and then that's me. With you, I know we'll find